Hello guys, this is michael.emefeke and you are welcome to my channel. Today I want to treat problem for those people when it be say they try to register for the BYU-Pathway Worldwide program and they don't register for PC 101, which is a life skill. Now they want to register the religious course, and because they're not quick register, the time where they select or the location where they select, they don't get plenty people for that time or for that location. So when they choose them, the thing also they successful. So they worried, they don't know what to do. So now those people, when they get that problem, now that problem I want to fix for those people. So for this video, you go learn how to fix that problem. Make you not worry, just follow me, make we go there. And if you dey get value for the videos wey we dey provide, this video in particular what we don produce, you get value for inside, make you not forget to subscribe, like the videos, make you share them, and any other areas where you know say you dey get problems with, let us know so that we go tackle am sharp. Let's go there. So make we dey go there now. Make una watch the way I go take solve this problem for this person. So I go to academics, I will go to class schedule or schedule, anyone when it resonate well with you. And from here, the thing will come up. When it come up, we begin. Okay, for here now, they will show me information, and here you go to schedule your classes, any class at all. You will now observe, say, there is register here because we have not registered for a particular course, this religious course, Jesus Christ and His Everlasting Gospel, A, Religion 250. That's now what we want to go register. So I'll click on register. Okay. So register courses confirmation. I will have to confirm this. I'll click on it. So I'll wait for it to load. So you don't validate and save here. So the religious course is not registered. So I'll look at the information provided and then see what to do next. So currently, because of the late registration, registration, this person is having a problem with the time selected for the religious course when she won't do. So we are going to see how we can select another time and location, and let's see if that one is open. So that's what we'll go do now. So let me go back to the gathering and then see what to do and check for the timing that will be suitable for this person. If we not forget them, we'll go keep them, we'll now send the ticket. We'll now use that help center method. We're going to send the ticket, and they've already given us what to do here. So that's what we go do. So make I go that side and we'll try them. I'll go click gathering, man, go back to the gathering page and then see what to do. So I click gathering now. So I go to edit. I'll click on edit and then try to find the timing that will be reasonable and the location. Make I see if that one go there available. I'll just keep trying until I get a place so that this person can go ahead with their registration. At least no say the person don't complete the whole procedures. So let me just go ahead and do that. So I've clicked on the edit to edit this gathering time because here she did get the problem. So I've clicked on edit. So let's see if we can get other times to register this person. And we could finish, made the thing load, we could see. They don't carry us come this place. It's a virtual and in-person. If we click on in-person, it may not be available. So let me work on, okay, let me try in-person. If it's not working, it's not available. So let's try virtual. And then we'll select the time zone, which is GMT +1, West Africa. Then let me look at the time. The timing when did it now? I think let me choose, this one is 6 to 7, Wednesday 8 to 9. Let me click Wednesday 8 to 9 and see whether it will be available. I just hope that it works. No available time work for me. Click schedule. So let's let it load and let's see if it's going to work for us. Wednesday 8 to 9. You make it load, and then when it load finish, we don't validate. Let's see Just hope it works this time around. So we don't reshare. Make we look whether this timing where we take this time, it go work for us. So I will go check the registration area and then see that if it works for us, then that's okay. So let me go and do that shortly. So I think I'll click on class schedule. And then wait make it load. So let's see whether we go fit to register for this course. So make I click on register whether it go work. Don't confirm am. Make it load finish and we'll see what go happen. So voila! You see, so she don't register. So the first time in, when we choose, they don't take that one. So I had to go and choose 8 to 9. She first of all choose, I think 7 to 8. So I had to choose 8 to 9. So that's how you do it. Always ensure that you register early. Because if you don't register early, you have problems. Time like this, you always have that a lot of spaces are filled up. And if you are not lucky, they will send you to the next diet. And that's going to take a longer time for you. So try. If you don't get mind to do something, not a stay for fence. Not a stay for fence. Try to make sure that you do the right thing, okay? So you see the procedure what we don't take. We first of all go to class schedule. We see we not fit register. We came back to gathering and then we adjusted our gathering timing. And then when we do that, we come back again to class schedule. Click on the register button again because the first time we did it, it gave us some information. We click on the class schedule again, and then you can see now she has already registered this one successfully using my videos, and then she has difficulties in doing this. I know she will definitely have difficulties because it don't come to the point where a lot of people would have that. So I've also come to assist her, and you don't see them, so we don't succeed for the distance. So any problem where you get, always use my videos. Please always use my video, and as you get the value, make you subscribe. Not the end for there. Always subscribe so that it will help you. As it help you, make it help other people when you get the problem. Not just leave it to you. Subscribe. Bring people more to do that. That's the only way you help us. Thank you for now, and see you in the next video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment. Now go apply what you learned. Action is everything. Subscribe for more student success tips, and I will catch you in the next one.